birthday mo, ito-challenge kita, Inday. Yan ang...
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, nag-deliver. Na-surprise ako. Ako ngisi kasi si Dada yung mag-prepare ng breakfast. Kasi it's my birthday. My birthday. Si Dada mag-prepare. What are you preparing?
Food.
Gawa siya ng...
Mine and Sophia's hot dogs. I don't know what Mum is having.
And sabi ko sunny side up na egg. So, yung birthday ko, palagi siyang nagpo-fall sa ano, yung Mother's Day. So, parang double celebration. Ganun. So, ito yung natanggap ko kahapon. Kung hindi kayo nakapanood ng isang vlog, ito siya. And nagbihis na kami. Naligo na din para fresh. And then si Sophia. Same kami ng t-shirt actually. Show Mama's t-shirt. The same. Same t-shirt. Ayan o. Same kami ng t-shirt. Okay, show your dolls. Go! Yeah? So, alam nyo din mga la, birthday din ikat nung 7, May 7. So, belated happy birthday, Day. Na-miss na kita. Kami ng mga Indays, magkikita kami very soon. So, abangan nyo yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin today. Kasi more on concentrate kami sa garden. Kasi nga, wala kaming trabaho. Pasalamat din ako sa aking brother na si Maarting Maldito sa kanyang money na pabigay. Binigyan niya na ako ng advance gift nung nagpunta sila dito. So, thank you so much. Yung regalo ni Dada, hay nako. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yung regalo ni Dada sa akin. Kasi, basta, secret na lang yung regalo niya sa akin. Wanted to greet our mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And to Mom and the UK, Happy Mother's Day. Pero may iba silang dates.
Happy Mother's Day to both of you.
To both of you and to all the mothers in the world. Thank you.
And this one.
Happy birthday to me. Dada made the breakfast. Dalawang balon na ang nagpop. Dalawang beses na umiyak si Sophia. Hey. Hanap na hanap sa kanyang ama. Pumunta sa tindahan yung ama niya. Hmm? Look at mama. What is that? Hey. Dito kami sa labas, tapos may taong ano, yan oh, nag-deliver. Na-surprise ako. Wow! What is that? Akala ko kung ano. Wow! Go, mama. Oh. Come. What is that? Wow! Do not touch like that, anak. No, no! Wow! So, surprise talaga ako. Sabi ni Dada. Sabi kasi ni Dada sa akin, wala na daw ang pabulaklak, wala nang regalo. Kasi, wala na daw siyang pera. Kasi may project siya na ginagawa ngayon. Sabi ko, okay lang, no worries. Kasi tinanong niya ko anong gusto ko. So, binilang pala ako ng flowers. Ayun. Thank you, Dada. I love you. Ayan yung ginawa namin. Nag-asa ng madaming ano yan, parang compost sa mga tanim. Slowly. Okay. Don't do like that. Wow. Slowly. Okay. Mama help? Okay, no. The flowers, huh? I didn't know that the man was waiting in our door. I thought it was Joseph, and we were walking from Lidl, going to here. And then I said, "Oh, this is it." I said, "Yeah, I have a packet for you." I said, "Huh?" And then when I saw it, it was on the floor. It was huh? From you, Dada? Are you sure? It's from you, yeah. Who else will give me flowers? Ah! It's from you?
No, honestly. I did not buy any flowers.
It's from you?
No, honestly. I did not buy any flowers.
Huh?
Because I was looking at the roses.
Not from you?
No, honestly.
Now, I thought it was from hubby, but it's not. Mali yung vlog ko. Hindi ko kasi binasa yung ano. Oy, Inday Val! Inday Val, Savi, and Wibi. May card pala dito. Ayan, thank you.
Yeah, Wibi, Zavi, Savi.
Oh, thank you. Inday Gamaya. It's from Val. Oy, thank you, Day Val. Ala, oy! Ay! Love na love ako. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hurrah! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Blow the candle? Yeah? Blow the candle.
Yay!
Thank you, Dada. Kay mo tabang gyud siya, oy. Oh, nagloves jud siya. Okay. Help Dada, okay. Keep going. Sus yung anak, oy. Kapoy naman dalaga. Huh? Hey, what is that? Huh? Ice cream.
Ice lolly.
Hey?
Ice lolly.
No.
No.
So, nagkalo tayo guys para yung ating mga gluta hindi masira. Huh? What? What do you want? Yeah, but this is too big for you. Yeah? Doon si Dada sa... Nakita kita. Thank you. Hindi ko na nalinis kasi. Yung anak ko, oy. Ayan. Dada, look.
Wow. Mama.
Oh, for mama. Meron din kami tulips. So, sana maganda yung weather bukas para makontinue pa namin ni Bana yung aming ginagawa dito. Natutulog na pala si Sofia. Shower na ako. I'm ready. I'm ready to fight tonight. Kasi Mother's Day, diba? So, meron palang pa-challenge yung mga Inday. Hello, Indayen! Before sa challenge, happy birthday! Ayan, naisipan kong i-challenge ka na ikis mo yung dalawang kilikili niyan. Yung unang challenge ni Inday Val is halikan yung kilikili ni Bana. Tama ko na to si Bana. Kasi challenge tayo, diba? I'm going to accept the challenge because I'm going to accept the challenge kasi bagong ligo yung asawa ko. Gian just showered. My husband just showered. So
Damn, should have done it earlier before I showered.
okay. Kiss your kilikili daw, sabi ni Val.
She enjoys it really.
Done. Si Inday Ikat din, may pa-challenge sa akin.
Hello, Indayen! Happy birthday to you, Indayen! More birthdays to come and ingat ka palagi, Indayen, and salamat sa iyong suporta and sa iyong kabutihan. Magdrama. Dito, Indayen, happy birthday and happy Mother's Day na rin sa'yo. And yeah, stay humble, stay healthy, and ingat ka palagi and mag-vlog ka palagi. And yeah, dahil birthday mo, i-challenge kita, Indayen. Ang challenge ko sa'yo ay eat green food only for 24 hours.
So, yung challenge ni Inday Ikat na kumain ng greens, hindi ko siya magawa kasi kahapon kumain kami ng manok, wala kaming gulay, wala kaming salad, something like that. Pasensya na, Day. Hindi ko maano yung challenge mo ngayon.
Happy birthday, Day! I love you! Charot! Ito, Day. Happy birthday. See you soon. I miss you.
Sa lahat ng bumati sa akin sa Facebook, sa social media, thank you sa mga nagpadala ng gifts kay Inday Val at saka kay Kumaring Bulakenya in Holland, tsaka sa asawa ko, sa family ko, kay Maarting Maldito of course, and basta sa lahat ng nakaalala ng aking birthday. Thank you. Yung iba hindi ko po kilala, pero thank you so much sa inyo. Happy Mother's Day din